house. I'm trying to go to the kitchen because this is my second attempt to try and open this house. I can't do it. So, we're then entering the fridge. Hello, fridge. Oh, not in the drawer. Can't open it because not good. Hold on, 2 minutes. I get something to open the. Hello. Found a knife. Woo! That opens the door keeps shutting on me. Actually, that makes me feel more sick. Don't eat ham when you have something to drink, because it doesn't work. It makes you feel more sick. We have a pear. Don't try that either, because that doesn't work. What else don't try cheese? Let me ask the expert. Karen! Hey, woman! What do Oi! Woman! Woman! Please answering questions! I think it's a bit late in that. Hold on 2 minutes. I don't even know what time it is in the morning. Woman! Karen! Hey! What do I eat to feel less drunk? Obviously don't drink anymore. What do I eat to feel less drunk? I've tried ham and a pear and it doesn't work. Couple of packets of crisps. Yeah, well I haven't got them, so that doesn't work. Couple of packets of crisps, yeah, that's gonna work. What else have you got in the fridge? Bean sprouts. What the fuck? Gotta buy them. Hey, listen to my advice, because my advice is it's bad. Ta-da! Don't use a knife while you're drunk. My advice. We're eating another pear. I've got to get up 6 in the morning. Don't listen to my advice. Actually, a pear is quite nice. I have some ham. If you can keep in your mouth, okay? And I have some more pear. I won't eat pear. It's fucking horrible. But I don't have anything else in the fridge. I fell asleep last night watching a film and forgot to take the meat out the freezer to cook a meal today. Right now, I think it's something past 11. Hold on 2 minutes. Hey, woman! What's the time? What's the time? 2 minutes. Karen! Yeah! What's the time? 2 minutes. She's just getting it for me. 20 past 12. 5 past 12. What? 5 past 12. It's 5 past 12. And I need to get up 6 in the morning. Well, that isn't going to work, is it? I'll put it in my pear. I need some sleep. Hold on a minute. I'm just going to eat some more ham. Make me feel a bit better. I think I'll end this video clip now because I'm a bit too had a little too much to make this satirical. But 2 minutes.